Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using gift cards, coupons and promo codes when buying things on Amazon. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by heading over to amazon.com in a web browser and sign into your account if you are not already. Open up the shopping cart with the items you want to buy in it. Click Proceed to Checkout like normal. Select your delivery address. Click Continue. On the Payment Methods screen, scroll down to the section called Gift Cards, Vouchers and Promotional Codes. Click Enter a gift card, voucher or promo code. Now simply enter your code into the text box and then hit Apply. If your code was valid, you will be notified that it was successfully applied and your balance will update and you can finish purchasing your items. It will also alert you if your code was invalid. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon tips and tricks.